Good morning everyone, this is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 20th of October. ECB to take no action, Draghi's comments in focus. During the European day, the highlight will be the ECB rate decision, followed by a press conference from President Draghi. The forecast is for the Governing Council to refrain from taking any action. Looking back at the latest policy meeting, the ECB kept its stimulus program unchanged and offered no hints regarding the likelihood for further easing. We expect officials to stand pat at this meeting as well, amid improvements in the profile for inflation. The headline CPI accelerated in September, but even more importantly, 5-year inflation expectations have been on the rise since early September, indicating that inflationary pressures may have begun to pick up. Therefore, the focus of this meeting will probably fall on Draghi's press conference and the Q&A session, especially after the recent Bloomberg report, which suggested that an informal consensus has built among the Governing Council to gradually scale back asset purchases. We don't expect Draghi to confirm something like that, as it could lead to an immediate tightening of financial conditions, which would undermine the effectiveness of the ECB's previous measures. We believe that the Governing Council will not want to risk that, with inflation still so far from the target. As such, we expect the ECB chief to talk down tapering concerns, at least for now, and maintain a dovish tone overall. Such rhetoric could extend the euro's recent losses. In Canada, the Bank of Canada remained on hold yesterday, and in the statement accompanying the decision, the officials struck a somewhat neutral tone. The bank described the risks around the inflation outlook as roughly balanced. This was a clear upgrade from risks to the profile for inflation have tilted somewhat to the downside in the September statement, and as a result the Canadian dollar came under renewed buying pressure. That did not last for long though. In the press conference following the decision, Governor Poloz backpedaled on the bank's neutral outlook by indicating that policymakers actively discussed the possibility of adding more monetary stimulus at this meeting. As a result, the loonie gave back all of its gains almost immediately to trade even lower against its US counterpart. Considering Poloz's somewhat dovish signals, the loonie may stay underselling interest for a while, though much will depend on tomorrow's release of September's CPI data. As for today, besides the ECB gathering, we get the UK retail sales for September, and expectations are for a rebound following August's decline, which could cause sterling to correct higher. From the US, we get existing home sales for September and initial jobless claims for the week ended on the 14th of October. Besides ECB President Draghi, we have two more speakers scheduled today: New York Fed President William Dudley and Norges Bank Governor Øystein Olsen. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.